My name is John, and I want to share my life story with you. I hope this autobiography helps you understand me better. I have often asked myself two big questions. Why was I born? What is the meaning of this life? This story is my attempt to find answers to these questions. Early years. I was born on a sunny day in a small town. My parents were very happy to welcome me into the world. They always told me that I was a gift from God. I have an older sister, Sarah, who was 4 years old when I was born. She was very excited to have a baby brother and loved taking care of me. Our house was small but full of love. My father worked as a teacher and my mother was a nurse. They worked hard to provide for us. We didn't have a lot of money, but we always had enough. My parents taught me the value of hard work and kindness. They showed me that love is more important than anything else. As a child, I was very curious. I loved to explore and ask questions. My parents encouraged my curiosity and always tried to answer my questions. They wanted me to learn and grow. I loved playing outside, climbing trees, and discovering new things. My sister and I had many adventures together. She was my first friend and my best friend. School days. When I started school, I was very excited. I loved learning new things and meeting new people. I made many friends and enjoyed playing with them. My favorite subjects were science and history. I loved learning about the world and how things worked. School was not always easy. I had to work hard to get good grades. Sometimes, I felt frustrated when I didn't understand something, but my parents always encouraged me to keep trying. They told me that it was okay to make mistakes because that is how we learn. One of the most important lessons I learned in school was the value of friendship. I had a group of close friends who supported me through thick and thin. We helped each other with homework, played together, and shared our dreams. These friendships taught me the importance of trust, loyalty, and kindness. Teenage years. As I grew older, I began to think more about my future. I wondered what I wanted to do with my life. I had many interests and passions, but I wasn't sure which path to choose. My parents always told me to follow my heart and do what made me happy. During my teenage years, I faced many challenges. I struggled with self-doubt and insecurity. I often wondered if I was good enough. But through these challenges, I learned important lessons about resilience and perseverance. I learned that it's okay to ask for help and that it's important to believe in yourself. High school was a time of growth and self-discovery. I joined various clubs and activities, which helped me develop new skills and interests. I enjoyed playing sports, participating in debates, and volunteering in the community. These experiences helped me understand the importance of teamwork, communication, and giving back to others. Finding my path. After graduating from high school, I faced the difficult decision of choosing a career path. I decided to pursue a degree in engineering because I loved solving problems and building things. College was a new and exciting chapter in my life. It was a time of learning, growth, and independence. In college, I met people from different backgrounds and cultures. These interactions broadened my perspective and taught me to appreciate diversity. I also faced many challenges in college. The coursework was demanding and I had to manage my time effectively, but these challenges helped me become more disciplined and responsible. During my college years, I also discovered my passion for helping others. I joined a volunteer organization that worked on community development projects. This experience was incredibly rewarding and taught me the importance of compassion and service. It made me realize that true happiness comes from making a positive impact on others' lives. Early adulthood. After graduating from college, I started my career as an engineer. I was excited to apply my knowledge and skills in the real world. My first job was challenging, but I learned a lot and grew both professionally and personally. I worked with a team of talented and supportive colleagues who taught me the value of collaboration and innovation. During this time, I also experienced significant personal growth. I moved to a new city, which was both exciting and daunting. I had to adapt to a new environment, make new friends, and build a new life. These experiences helped me become more resilient and adaptable. In my early 20s, I also met the love of my life, Emily. We met through mutual friends and quickly became close. Emily was kind, supportive, and shared many of my values and interests. We enjoyed spending time together, exploring new places, and dreaming about our future. Our relationship taught me the importance of love, trust, and partnership. Midlife reflections. As I entered my 30s, I began to reflect more deeply on my life's purpose. I had a successful career and a loving family, but I still felt something was missing. I often thought about the questions I had asked myself as a child. Why was I born? What is the meaning of this life? I realized that the answers to these questions were not simple or straightforward. They required introspection and a deeper understanding of myself and the world around me. I began to read more about philosophy, spirituality, and self-improvement. These readings helped me gain new insights and perspectives. One of the most important lessons I learned during this time was the importance of living a meaningful and fulfilling life. I realized that true happiness comes from within and that it's important to align my actions with my values and passions. I also understood the importance of gratitude and appreciating the present moment. Giving back. In my 40s, I decided to focus more on giving back to the community. I joined a nonprofit organization that worked on various social and environmental projects. This work was incredibly fulfilling and gave me a sense of purpose. I enjoyed working with like-minded individuals who were passionate about making a difference. Through my volunteer work, I learned the importance of empathy and compassion. I realized that everyone has their own struggles and challenges, and that it's important to be kind and supportive. This work also taught me the importance of humility and gratitude. It made me appreciate the many blessings in my life and reminded me of the value of helping others.
Lessons learned. As I reflect on my life, I realize that I have learned many important lessons. Here are a few that stand out. The importance of love and family. My parents and sister taught me the value of love and family. They showed me that true happiness comes from strong and supportive relationships. The value of hard work and perseverance. My experiences in school and my career taught me the importance of hard work and perseverance. I learned that it's important to keep trying, even when things get tough. The power of curiosity and learning. My curiosity and love for learning have been a constant source of growth and inspiration. I have always enjoyed exploring new ideas and gaining new knowledge. The importance of compassion and service. My volunteer work taught me the value of compassion and service. I learned that true fulfillment comes from helping others and making a positive impact on the world. The value of self-reflection and growth. My midlife reflections helped me understand the importance of self-reflection and growth. I learned that it's important to align my actions with my values and passions. Conclusion. As I continue my life's journey, I am still seeking answers to the big questions. Why was I born? What is the meaning of this life? While I may never find definitive answers, I have learned that the journey itself is what matters most. It's about living a meaningful and fulfilling life, being kind and compassionate, and making a positive impact on others. I am grateful for the many experiences and lessons that have shaped my life. I am thankful for my family, friends, and the opportunities I have had. I am excited about the future and the many adventures that await. Thank you for taking the time to listen my story. I hope it has inspired you to reflect on your own life's journey and to find meaning and fulfillment in your own unique way.